Hello guys, welcome. This is Encisso Art Academy, the art academy for those who have the insatiable need to express themselves through drawing. My name is Alexander. In the last chapter, we'll learn how to create texture to the skin. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to correct the tones or the values of our portrait. When we speak of tones, we refer to a grayscale where the initial value is white and the final value is black. The more the tone is close to the black, we say is darker, and it is closer to the white, we say is lighter. When we are start to draw, evaluate tones correctly is not that easy, since our eyes tend to underestimate or overestimate the tonal value of objects. This is known like contrast effect. Look carefully at the two rectangles from the middle of this figure. Which one do you say is darker and which one do you say is lighter? Probably you will think that this rectangle is lighter than this one, and this one is darker than this one. But let's look where are they. How you could see, both rectangles have the same value, but for the contrast effect, when a value is surrounded by a darker tone, we tend to see it more lighter. But the contrary, if it's surrounded by a lighter tone, we think that is darker. Let's look another example. This graphic is known like the Adelson chessboard. If you look closely, you could see that you think that the A square is darker than the B square, but like in the last example, when you look more closely, you notice that they are the exact same color. When we are working in our portrait, it's really difficult to evaluate correctly the values of each tone of our reference photo. That's why in this step we are going to learn how to correct the tones so the tones of our portrait match the tones of our reference photo. Okay? In order to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to darken the areas of shadows and we are going to lighten the areas of light, depending of what correction need in the portrait. Okay guys, I hope you're ready to start. In the next step, we are going to look more in detail all this process. I see you later. God bless you. Bye.